What is it? You lonely? Yeah. I know. We're gonna go get you some. We're gonna go get you some friends. How about that? I know. You be good. We'll be back. What's going on, everybody? Jason Morris. You're watching Get More Outdoors, and we're going to jump right into the video. We are going to head out of town this afternoon. We're going to go get some more goats, maybe even take a look at some fainting goats. Not really sure. If you watched the last episode that we did about the goats, when we went and we got our first two goats, the little male buddy, something was wrong with him. We still don't really know exactly what went on. We tried everything we could, you know, got the vet in here and just frantically tried to save him, but for whatever reason he didn't make it. It's kind of a rough day, but you know, that's part of having livestock and animals. I mean, seems like no matter what you do with some of the babies, it's like they weren't strong enough. But on a better note, we're about to go. We're going to go get some more goats. We just have the one girl, the female. Her name's Queenie. And goats are very social animals. So, you know, you don't want to just have one goat. You know, being by herself over the past few weeks, she has really warmed up to us and gotten, like, you know, she wants to be with us all the time because she is lonely. They're social creatures. So we're going to go and hopefully come back with a few goats, not just one. So I'm going to take you guys along. We're going to talk to the lady, get some goats. Like I said, hopefully we'll get to see some of the fainting goats. They're hilarious. But we also have a lot larger pen built for them now. So we're more prepared to have the goats. We're trying to burn the last bit of trash. Apparently over here was the previous owner's, I guess you call it a dump site, I don't know. But we're not having that. So we took out everything we could feasibly, and we just kind of scraped the rest of it into this hole, and it's been burning for a few days. It's just about done burning up where we can cover it up. And over here we're going to turn, I guess what was a previous workshop or storage shed, I'm not really sure, but that is going to be a goat Shangri-La. And we've got it all fenced in. And I'm not sure if I have any video of what this actually looked like before we started. This whole place was pretty much impenetrable. If you look over there at all that thick bamboo, that's what this entire area right here was. It was just thick, close growing bamboo, you know, cat briars, all kinds of trees, big and little ones. And so over the past few weeks we've gotten in here and just cleared it all out and gotten a really nice big area for the goats to be able to run around in. So alright, we're about to hop in the truck and head up north. I'll catch up with you there. He's ready to ride.
He's ready to ride. Wobbling over here.
Doesn't look like they're missing any meals.
I'll ask them that. They'll tell you they're missing meals.
Little piglets.
They'll tell you they're missing meals, that's for sure. They're starving to death and they're neglected.
That's cool. You're a funny looking goat.
Okay, I'm gonna give him some medicine in his eye. He's got a little bitty eye. See it? But you'll be alright. I give him some LA 200 in it. You'll clear up. Get down, Traveler! Dumbass! Traveler, no!
What's he doing?
Jumping on people because he's an idiot because you allowed him to keep doing it.
Dad.
Rebecca, that's a professional way to hold a goat.
Oh my goodness. Just get down.
No. 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 No.
They're all so pretty. I know. This cute little puppy dog.
This is why it smells so strong right over here.
You are a pretty thing.
Mom, look here, right?
Oh, look at this baby. Look at this baby. Hey, Melissa.
Oh, you're camera shy? I think that one's camera shy.
I need to go.
You're so darling.
You're not one of her horns off, right?
Melissa. This is a dwarf midget. A midget
Oh, is that the
dwarf.
girl?
Yep.
Aww.
Hold it.
Oh no.
She looks like Buddy.
Oh,
Cutie.
Look at that.
That should be her name, Cutie. Wouldn't that be a cute name?
She just melted.
Wouldn't that be a perfect name for her? Cutie.
Let's think about it. Because, like, we named Buddy before we left this place.
Yep.
And
No, I get the name.
it just worked.
That is so tiny. Hey, pretty.
Camera shy. Some of them are camera shy.
Dude, they just came up to me. Oh my goodness. This one looks like a ghost. That's all up in my face.
And
Oh, where's my hair? Hi. Please don't eat me. No, don't eat. I know it's green, but it's not food.
Right.
You all up in people's business.
He's not related to none of these things. He's not related to none of
You're so cute. It has, Mom, it has a little middle part. It has a little, don't eat.
so all these
It's
different
trying
ages
to
of goats
eat
can
my
be okay
finger.
in one pen together.
You're so pretty. Look at his face.
Plenty of room.
Hey, puppy. Oh, such a cute dog. Oh, these. Oh, I want to have them all. Stop eating me.
Right there in front of you. I think that's gumdrop.
Oh, they're so cute.
I think they call that one gumdrop.
He has paper on
I love them all, even the dogs. Okay, taking them all. Hi.
Put them in your bag.
There's one right next to you. Look at that one. It's so cute. Oh, one's coming right up. Oh, look at this one. It's all brown. Oh, they're so big. So pretty. Don't let it eat the camera.
Yeah, I know. What was that? That was so girly.
Oh, Mama. 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 I love that.
like those.
Isn't this fun? I knew you'd like it here.
Oh, you have a beard! Oh. You have a beard. I love that, Mom. His head on me. Mom, it's rubbing his head on me. Thanks, let him go.
I like you.
Hi. 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 Dang.
He didn't call me. He didn't call me. I didn't know you took rat though.
They're rubbing on my leg. Hi.
I got a door.
I know, I just got that.
Ashley, those kudos.
I don't want down there, really. Oh, I'm really cat. That one's munching.
When I came
Hey,
home,
hey, babe. No, don't leave.
where's Repo?
Goodness, that was so
Right
bad.
here, stove right here.
What's up?
You said if his eye is still weeping,
3 days.
in 3 days,
And put some more.
a couple drops in there. That's all right.
Put the whole thing in.
Okay.
What you got? Mother?
Might want to come over here, Melissa, so you can see this.
Raven, please wait.
Some of this.
I know you said some of these will produce over a gallon a day. What's kind of average for one of these?
About a quart.
A quart a day?
That's so good.
That's, yeah, a little bitty goat.
It's high in butterfat.
And then you get your exceptions that will produce a gallon, and that's crazy for that small of a goat.
You get some that produce more than that. I'm drying them off so I don't milk them every day anymore. Not every 2-3 days.
Oh, that way you're relieving the pressure, but you're making it where if you kept milking them every day, they'd keep producing, wouldn't they? Okay.
Prime example is Emerald, because her doe's still sure it'll be 2 in March and she's still producing milk because she's still feeding her. I thought I did at one point.
Another one fell over.
Well, if you get really hungry, you know which one's the easiest one to catch. Everybody's laughing at your expense. Poor guy.
Gumdrop, come here. Gum, come here. Gumdrop. Come on. Come on, Gumdrop. Traveler, your name like Gumdrop.
You're such a pretty girl. Oh, wagged her little tail and everything. Now, what do you mean by push button?
She'll set herself up. Show.
Oh, so you got to train them to do that? That's cool. Man, that is a pretty one.
It's also a $1,500 goat.
I bet.
These two bring them.
Yep, those would win some ribbons. So if somebody wanted to contact you to get some goats, what's your website?
I'll give you cards. Holiday Farm, Nigerian Dwarf.
Holiday Farm, Nigerian Dwarfs.
Got Wheelie, I think. Howdy, bud.
Yeah, I got some definite show winners here.
Hey. Can. Hi. Hey.
Again, what was that?